Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna walk you through the virtual assistant for your IRCC applications. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask guys. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we all need a lot of help from IRCC, and that is why perhaps their call center is always busy. So in order to ease the process, they have come up with a virtual assistant tool where something you can find out, not everything because it's an automatic process, or in other terms a chat bot, but few other things, like few general things, you can definitely find out. So ultimately that's gonna reduce the load on the call center and other contact methods, so that they can be utilized by the people, those who really need it. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So I've opened a page. This is not just specific to this page, any general page. At the bottom you have this virtual assistant. Once you click on this is what it opens. Now it asks you a question. Let me just adjust the screen so I can show you in a better way. So now you can see here the first question that is coming on this virtual assistant: have you contacted our client support center on your issue? So let's say I haven't contacted, so I click on no. Are you located inside Canada? Let's say no. Now it introduces itself. I am a chatbot named Quid, trained to answer general questions about COVID-19 and its impact on IRCC. What you need information on? There's a link. Travel to Canada, my application. So let's say you have a question about your application. So you put it. What are you applying for? Immigration, working, visiting, or studying? So let's say you have applied for a work permit. Select the option that applies to you. Temporary foreign worker, home menu. So temporary foreign worker. Now it has given me some information. For the most up-to-date information on temporary foreign workers, please visit. If you have symptom of COVID-19, you won't be allowed to travel to Canada, and other quarantine information. If I click on home menu, again it goes to this page. So again, if I go for my application and if I select visiting this time, so it has given me information. So I can go multiple times to home menu and I can ask info. Now this time I select travel to Canada. So let's say you are a foreign national. Are you an immediate family member, Canadian citizen, permanent citizen? Let's say yes. So now you have got specific information. See, that is specific to your case. So a lot of similar pieces of information you can gain from here, and this is like authentic coming from IRCC, so you can rely on this. And if it is something that is not able to answer your query, you always have the other options to contact based on your scenario and case. So that's how it works guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any question and concern, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.